Are you looking to start your own online business, but don't want to deal with inventory or shipping? Print on demand might be the perfect solution for you. Print on demand allows you to create and sell custom products without having to hold any inventory. You simply upload your designs to a platform, and they handle the printing and shipping for you. This means you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing designs, while letting someone else take care of the logistics. With Print on Demand, you can offer a wide range of products including t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. This allows you to cater to a variety of customers and expand your product line easily. Not only is Print on Demand convenient, but it also allows for low upfront costs. You don't have to invest in inventory or equipment, making it a low-risk option for those just starting out. So whether you're a graphic designer, artist, or just have a great idea for a design, Print on Demand can help you turn your creativity into a profitable business. And now we will see what this business model entails. First, unleash your creativity and design products that truly stand out. From unique t-shirts to mugs with inspiring messages, anything is possible with Print on Demand. Now pick your favorite Print on Demand platform, like Printful, Printify, Teespring, and Redbubble, and upload your designs. It's time to bring your ideas to life. Choose from a wide range of products, from clothing to home goods, and get ready to watch your designs come to life. Your customers can customize the products with your designs, making them truly their own. Then, they simply place the order and eagerly await its arrival. Once the order is placed, the magic begins. The Print on Demand platform takes your designs and prints them on the selected products with the highest quality. And voila! In no time, the personalized products are ready to be shipped directly to your customers. And thus concludes our journey through the exciting world of Print on Demand. From creation to delivery, we've seen how this business model gives you the freedom to creatively express yourself and bring your ideas to new heights. Are you ready to embark on your Print on Demand adventure? Then don't wait any longer. Start creating and making your entrepreneurial dreams a reality today. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.